Okay, we've started talking about when functions are increasing, decreasing, or constant. And we're going to start off with some very basic functions here, linear functions, functions that, just graph as a straight line. And functions of that form will always be in the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, so they might not always look like that, but they can always be put in that form. And this is called slope-intercept form, which you may have seen before. We're actually going to talk all about lines in the next unit, but I'm sure you've seen straight lines before. And when our slope is positive, it means our graph is always going to be increasing. If we think, you remember, we're always walking from left to right, so we're always walking along this way. And as we do that, our graph is going to be positive, okay, or increasing, always increasing. And so we say it's increasing from negative infinity to infinity. And this happens when the slope, the m, is a positive number. Okay, now when the slope is a negative number, well, as we walk along from left to right, we see that the graph is going downhill. Okay, so the line is always decreasing. So we would say it's decreasing from negative infinity to infinity. Now, when we don't have a slope, it's actually just a constant horizontal line. That would look like something like y equals 2. That's what this graph is here. So when it's a constant, just y equals a number, it's a constant function, and we say it's constant everywhere from negative infinity to infinity. It's always flat. Okay, so one of the reasons why linear functions are so simple is because from negative infinity to infinity, it's either always going to be increasing, always decreasing, or always constant. You won't change directions on the graph.